Hi, my name is Rhino, and today we're going to teach you how to vary your line weights without actually having to do anything on your pen pressure. If you're like me, you have a heavy hand and you haven't changed the pressure sensitivities at all because you learned to deal with it. So today we're going to learn how to vary your line weights using vector lines in Clip Studio Paint. Come with me. If you don't know, I am Rhino. I'm an emote artist slash graphic designer on Twitch. I make overlays, animated overlays. Even started doing Apex Legends overlays. So I do it all. Just come see me over on Twitch. The link will be in the description. All right, so we have Clip Studio Paint here. We have our sketch that we're ready to do some line art on, right? Don't mind him. He's a little wonky. This is what we're starting with. Anyways, so we want to have some dynamic lines in here, but when you go to regular line, you can see how heavy my hand is. And there's no really line with variations here. So I don't like the flatness of it, so I've been using vector lines. So you're going to create another vector layer over here with the box in it, cube with a box in it. It says new vector layer. Click it. And then we're going to ink just as we would as a regular layer. So everything works the same. So I'm going to go and ink this, and it's all going to be flat, and there's going to be any differentiating lines. So I'm going to ink this real quick, and then we'll get back. So we're back. We got our line art on a vector layer, our sketch on the bottom layer, and we don't need any of those. So what I want you to do, so since we're going to differentiate these lines, the couple things I want to change is I want a bigger line across his face and outside here and down. And then maybe I'm going to change up the lines of his eyes. They look kind of too big for me, so I think I want a thinner line. We're going to come over here to the left, right above your color selector, and do correct line. And under the correct line, this allows you to edit your control points. See, you can have control points, kind of like in Illustrator where you have anchor points. Pinch the vector lines, which allows you to move them. Simplify a vector line allows you to simplify it so when you have control points, it moves less control points. It shows less control points. See? That one comes in very handy for me. That one's a nice one. And what I want to do is redraw vector line with this one right here, almost to the bottom. It is the bottom. It is the bottom. We're going to... So what I want to do is I want to bring it down to about 25 for my canvas. And I'm going to go around this eyeball and bring it down so it has a little bit less girth. Sorry about the word, but that's all I can think of. See how that kind of shrunk in a little bit? It makes it a little bit more, not visible, but like a little bit more dynamic for the eyes, so everything's not the same. I'm going to do the same for the mouth. There we go. And then I think the outer line that I want here, this hairline and this face line, I kind of want thicker. So what I do is when there's a line that I need like when the line needs light, I kind of want it thicker to show a shadow coming back. Maybe I'll do it on the back. Let's do it on the back. Oh, I love that line. That line came out good. Just like that. I'm going to go around the ear. And we're going to have, see this little overlapping? We can erase a vector line with the erase vector. I hope. There we go. Sometimes it's a little fidgety, but it's okay. And then we're going to do it one last time on this bottom line. So we got a thicker line on the outside, on the outer back, just so when the shadows hit, it kind of shows more of a fill icon for you. And I'm going to fill this in real quick just to show you what the finished object would look like if I really went haywire on it. So just stay with me real quick and I'll be right back just like that. And we're back. So this is the final, not the final project, but this is the final product for this video. If I was going to go more into it, I'd probably add a lot more expressions, more highlights and stuff. But this is pretty much it. This is, you see the inside lines are quite thinner than the outside lines. And then these back lines are even thicker than the front lines. So the shadows are filling up. And I really like the way that this works out. It seems to be, it seems to work for me. I hope it works for you. And yeah, that's just a little quick tip video for Clip Studio Paint for doing some emotes. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully next week. Have fun. Goodbye.